It's my pleasure to introduce Jefford, who is the Director of Research and Business Development from NanoIntegris Raymor. And Jefford is going to give us a talk on high purity carbon nanotubes and graphene for electronic applications. As always, please leave your questions in the sidebar, and at the end of the presentation, I'll come back and we will take your questions live. So over to you, Jefford.
Thank you for the introduction, Chris. Hello, everyone. My name is Jefford Humes. I'm the Director of Research and Business Development at NanoIntegris Technologies, the daughter company of Raymor Industries. And today I would like to speak to you about how we have become a provider of high purity carbon nanotubes and graphene for electronic applications. As most of you in this room know, since the discovery of fullerenes in 1991 by Sumio Iijima of NEC and Ichihashi and Bethune at IBM in 1993, Bucky tubes that is, and then also the discovery of graphene in 2004 by Professor Andre Game and Professor Kostya Novoselov of the University of Manchester, these two types of nanomaterials have been theorized to accomplish so many things as it hit the media and it hit the research regime as well. But one of the things is that it was simply just a theory. Here, though, at NanoIntegris and Raymor, we're proud to say that we've watched those theories actually become realities. And since then, using our materials, we've seen over 1,600 publications that have utilized our nanomaterials by the end of 2021. But the problem was, this was done only on the experimental and the demo scale. And so we've seen many of the things that nanomaterials were theorized to accomplish become a reality. Still not that space elevator, though. But before I move on, I would like to talk to you about, how our nanomaterials have gone from the demo scale to large scale. I'd like to give you a little bit of the history of the company. So NanoIntegris was founded by Professor Mark Hersom in 2007. Sorry, there's a little bit of a delay here. I think my slides have gone forward a little bit faster than I wanted them to. Bear with me here. We're just going to wait for them to go back. Okay. So anyway, I'll continue speaking. NanoIntegris was founded from Northwestern University by Professor Mark Hersom after his groundbreaking paper, sorting carbon nanotubes by electronic structure using density differentiation. Around the same time, few years later, in Canada, Raymor Industries was a public startup that was privatized with experts in plasma atomization. Since that time, it went on to then develop a titanium powder division for the 3D printing sector in 2011, and later purchased NanoIntegris Technologies to secure single-wall carbon nanotube purification and separation technology. Since that time, many partnerships have been developed, such as with the National Research Council of Canada, wonderful companies such as Pittsburgh Paint and Glass, Nanograph, and has even gone on to participate in numerous grants, such as the Sustainable Development Technology Grant of Canada, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency grant in the US, and the National Science Foundation grants as well. And what makes us special is, I would say that we have threefold, a trifecta of corporate values. Our mission is to develop and commercialize new advanced nanomaterials that deliver breakthrough performance results for various industrial products and reduce the global environmental footprints. Our vision is to become the world leader in the supply of high purity, semiconducting, and metallic single-wall carbon nanotube solutions for the electronics industry, and of high purity, few layer graphene for the battery and materials industry. Our